Hello everyone. We are looking at exercise 2, phase 7, chapter vectors. And we are at question number 1 of exercise 2. So let's look at the question. The question is, 3 vectors have been given, A, B, C, such that their mod is also given, mod of A and C and 4, and B cross C is given to us, and we have to find the value of alpha such that B minus 2C is lambda A. Okay. It's one of the simple questions, I would say basic question, but very important concept here. B minus 2C is equal to lambda A. Whenever we see something like that, the first thing that should cross our mind is, can we take mod both sides? Because vector ke question may always, that is the first thing that we should look at. So if we take mod both sides, in vectors terminology or vector language, when we take mod both sides, means we are taking dot of the vector with itself. So B minus 2C, if I'm trying to take a dot, then I will need to know B dot C. And is that information given to us? Yes. If B cross C is given to us and B and C's mod is given to us, then we can find the value of B dot C as well. We can either use Lagrange's identity right away, or we can find cos theta and sin theta. The same it is actually. So let's look at it. So I'll just try to recall the Lagrange's identity here. So B cross C square is equal to B square into C square minus B dot C square. This is called Lagrange's identity, but effectively what it is, B and C mod ka square and sine square theta. And this is B, if we take this common, we get this is simple to understand. This is sine square theta is equal to minus and cos square theta. So this side, if we just take common, we get 1 minus cos square theta, which is nothing but same as this. So this is called Lagrange's identity, and this is used to convert from cross to mod. Okay. So we'll just use it. It is definitely, it will help us save few steps next time. But because we are doing the basic questions first, so you know how it is. So we want to find out B dot C square. So this is nothing but mod of B square and C square. So 16 minus mod of this, which is 15. So from here we get this is equal to cos theta is equal to 1. Yes. B dot C is equal to, so from here B dot C whole square is equal to 15 and B dot C is 16. Yeah, B dot C is 16. Fine, that's fine. Now let's look at the question again. B minus 2C is equal to lambda A. Then we just take mod both sides and square it. So we are taking dot both sides. So B plus 4C minus 2 into another 2 and B dot C. This is equal to lambda square and mod A square. Solve it and get the value of lambda. If we solve it, B square will be 16 plus 4, I think C is 1 only, minus 4 into B dot C is 1, and this is lambda square. So lambda square we get, 16. So lambda square is 16. That means lambda is equal to plus minus 4. plus minus. That's it. So the idea is whenever we see this, we take mod both sides, mod meaning we take dot with it. Thank you.